Oh. Well, hello there. Welcome to Wheels and Feels. I'm Max, and today we're going to be cooking breakfast. We're going to be cooking some tacos. We're going to be cooking some burgers. So make sure you tune in to see how we will be cooking all those meals using the JLU storage unit for the Jeep Wrangler. So follow along. Okay, so we have everything set up here to begin cooking. So obviously, beginning of the day, we're gonna start with eggs and bacon, very simple breakfast, but using this Wheels and Feels cooking setup, it'll be a breeze to cook within my car. So I've got all my ingredients ready to go. I've got some eggs here, I've got bacon, some butter, got my grill, bowl, spatula, so we're gonna get on cooking. So we're gonna start here by opening up our bacon, first step. Now we're gonna let's do 2 pieces. Oh yeah, oh that looks delicious. All right, we can just place that on in. Get it sizzling. Oh, love that sizzle. Made an M for Max too. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh. So one of my favorite parts of camping is actually cooking on a campsite. For some reason, when you cook and eat food in nature, it just tastes 10 times better. Not sure why that is, but yeah, it's amazing. All right, and the great thing about bacon is that it is super easy to cook. Like you literally just place it in the pan, swirl it around a couple of times, and you've got some delicious bacon. Just keep moving that bacon around, making sure it's getting nice and cooked. All right, so once your bacon is fully cooked, you're gonna go ahead and take it on out and just scoop it right onto your plate with the napkin, soaking up all that bacon grease. So we're gonna put this off to the side, and we are gonna start preparing our eggs. So keep the bacon grease moving. So since we've cooked our bacon first, we're gonna use this bacon grease to cook our eggs. So we're gonna head and crack our eggs. We're gonna do 2 eggs today. So go ahead, crack that on your bowl. Easy peasy, like so. Same thing. Crack it, break it, voila. So you're gonna add some salt and pepper into your egg bowl. Just a splash of salt and a nice dash of pepper. And swirl around your eggs. Now, if you wanted to get fancy, you could add some cheese, maybe even some milk. Just don't have that on me today, so that's something you could add if you want to spice up your eggs. But just get it nice and mixed. Like so. You can go ahead and pour it on in. Beautiful. And we're gonna let that cook. And the thing with cooking in bacon grease is your eggs are gonna be kind of a funky color, but they will taste great. All right, so I'm gonna do a little plating here. We're gonna take our eggs and place them next to our bacon. And look at that, that is beautiful. All right, so we just cooked some amazing breakfast here with the Wheels and Feels storage system. We did some eggs and bacon, very simple, but quite tasty if I do say so myself. So I'm gonna go do some camping activities, might go for a run, pass the Frisbee, who knows, but when I come back, I'll be making tacos. So keep watching. So we are on to our second recipe of the video, which is easy tacos. So we are just gonna be doing some beef, some tortillas, some peppers, which I need to grab, some cheese, and last but not least, taco seasoning to give it a little flavor. So we're gonna get going here in just a second, but first I need to wash my pepper. I have my pepper here, and using the Wheels and Feels cooking setup, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my pepper. And you can give your vegetables a good rinse before you get cooking with them. So super easy, super simple. So it makes cooking these recipes a breeze when you're out camping. So I learned this technique recently. Looks like our stem is mostly off, but you want to discard your stem. And then you're going to take the pepper, flip it over, cut it down on these little seams it has here, I guess would be the word. Then you're going to go ahead and rip it. So now you have beautiful little halves here. Or thirds, I guess technically, not even halves. And then you can kind of take this, making sure the seeds, fall onto the ground or wherever. All right, and we probably only need half a pepper today, so I'll leave this other half over here. Just a little bit. So that's probably enough peppers for this. Gonna take our beef, cut her open. There we go. And then probably a little bit more. All right. Get it nice and moving. What's great about this Wheels and Feels setup is you can get pretty creative with what you cook. I am not a chef by any means. I'm just starting my cooking journey, so I could imagine the gourmet meals you can make. I mean, you could do kebabs on this thing. You could do steaks. But yeah, now our meat is looking nice and cooked here. So we're gonna go ahead and add some seasoning. Oh, that smells gorgeous. All right, I think that's looking pretty good. We'll let it cook here for a second longer. All right, so now we're gonna start assembling our tacos. And I'm gonna make 2 little tacos here. So I'm gonna go boop, da boop. And we can take our spatula and put some taco meat on there. I mean, just enough. These are gonna be kind of like little baby street tacos is kind of what I envisioned. So that is looking good there. We're gonna take a couple of peppers here, you know, make it look nice. I got a couple like that. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And look at that. We have tacos thanks to the Wheels and Feels cooking setup. So look at these beauties. I mean, these are just delicious. Now we are on to our final recipe. We're gonna be making some gourmet burgers. So we got our seasoning here, got our Kraft singles, we got our beef, we got our buns. So we're gonna go ahead and cook up a nice burger. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. Get that going. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle just a little bit of seasoning on there to add some nice burger flavor. This has been a breeze cooking, first time cooking on the Wheels and Feels setup, and it has been amazing. So much fun to use. So I just flipped the burger, added some seasoning, and we're gonna let this baby cook and then keep flipping to make sure the burger is cooked all the way through. The bun out. I think we're all ready. So we're gonna go ahead, turn our grill off. Always wanna make sure that's off. Look at that simple plate. Let's do a beauty shot. Cheers. Beautiful. So good. Okay, so we have finished cleaning up all of our supplies. So I am done here cooking. And unfortunately, this is the end of my camping trip. So I am on out of here, but I hope you enjoyed those 3 recipes. So it has been a breeze cooking with the Wheels and Feels setup with the JLU storage unit for the Jeep Wrangler. So make sure you go to the Wheels and Feels website and see if they have a model for your car. And make sure you subscribe and hit that like button because we'll be making way more content coming soon. We'll be going camping. We'll be having friends on the channel. It's going to be a grand old time. We are just getting started. So make sure to join for the journey. See you next time.